I made a very impulsive decision today. I bought a wig, and not just any wig. I bought a synthetic wig, and she red. So I was in a beauty supply store, and I was looking at the wigs, and I was like, dang, long, red. I feel like I can do something with this. Like, you know, bring some life into her, make her look
well presentable.
So I made an impulsive decision, and if it comes out right, you know I'm gonna wear it. So I'm gonna show y'all before or what it looks like on me and actually I'm gonna fix how my hair look in this because y'all, I just slipped this on just to slip the wig on real quick. So it's not bad. It's not too bad. Like, it's giving cone head in the back, but it's not too bad. Like, you know, she got a little body in her. She got a little movement. My thing is, when you know it's synthetic, like, you see how the back is? It's all bunched up. Yeah, we don't like that. She's giving like 30-inch bust down. No? Yes? I want to do my thing to it, make her look good, see what I can do to her. So this is why y'all here, because we finna make her look good, make her look great. Yeah. And I think it's like 30 inches, 32 maybe, by the looks of it. Maybe 34. Can't see that. Stops right here. So 32. I'm 5'4", so I'm not that tall, y'all, at all. This is what it looks like. It's a T-part. So yeah, we don't do T-parts, but we gonna work with this T-part. Y'all, the ends are already killing me. Like, I keep brushing them. I hope I like this. I really hope I like this. Let's get to work. Okay, y'all, so first let's take this off. And my hair has been straight for like 2 weeks now. So I'm gonna just brush these edges back, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna brush my little sideburn baby hairs up. So we're gonna treat this like it's like a wig, you know? We're gonna treat it like it's a wig, and then my camera is on like 2 bars, and I've already like don't have my camera charger here with me. So I'm trying to move quick, but inches check, you know? Yeah. You see it back there, you see it. I'm not gonna braid my hair or anything because it's so unnecessary when my hair is straight. And I could just bring it back in a ponytail like that. Yeah, I have a big head, so however the wig looks on me after this point, it's because my head is big. And if y'all say something about my hair in the comments, I wish you would. I'm just throw my hair in a little ponytail. Not too tight, baby, not too tight. I think I'm gonna do like a split, maybe, and probably like do like a bend type of action, you know what I'm saying? Cause I don't mind the little back. I just, as long as the top is flat, I'm fine with. So I just gonna clip my ponytail up. So yeah, it's giving. It's giving. Ooh, it came up, y'all. I knew 2 wasn't gonna be enough. I knew better. I know it might look crazy, but it does not matter. It's currently 8:27. We're gonna see how long. Come on, get in focus. Get in focus, boo. Okay, we're gonna see how long this takes me to do. Like I said, my camera is trying to die, and we're gonna get this done and rolling. So I'm just slide that wig cap on, OMG. Yeah, personally, when I do my wigs, I do the whole meltdown wig cap method. I feel like I don't need to do this with this, but I don't know. Like, me personally, I might not do it just because I don't know, if I don't like it, I'm gonna be mad. It's gonna be a waste of a wig cap. What I might do is hit it with the, yeah. This is the part, the lace of the wig. It's the T part, like I said, a little bit of sides. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this little lace tint spray, and I use the high beams. It's something from Beauty Supply, nothing special, y'all. I promise you it's nothing special. Will it focus? Will it focus? So it's that. It's nothing special, I promise you. And I'm gonna just spray just a little bit to where it's, my camera just, the focus on here is crazy. Y'all, we gonna get into it. We gonna get into it. See. So I'm gonna spray it on test spray. Oh, y'all, I almost did it to myself. This is the black hairspray. What am I thinking? Okay, so, oh, excuse me. Thank you if you bless me. But I'll be back, y'all, cause what the F. Okay, y'all, so I thought I had my lace tint here, but I lied. So instead, I'm gonna be using my little makeup palettes to try to cover the hair line, whatever, to make it look natural. Like the little cream ones. Y'all can see that. Will it focus? Yeah, the focus on my camera is crazy. Usually I take like this level, I mix it between, because I definitely do not know which route to go. So I'm gonna just do it on the middle, and yeah, see that? Yeah. I promise you it don't look as harsh as it does in person than it does on camera. And I'm stippling, y'all, because I think I'm getting sick. Next, I'm gonna just use the powder one. This is powdery, so and it's dang near used up, so I just mix and mix in. I go in just to help a little bit with the harshness. Yeah, I really wish I had my charger, my camera charger. I can't believe I left it back at home. Okay. Just to help it look more natural. Y'all, I hate how this looks right now. What is this? I really do want to plug it. So I wonder, I never plugged a synthetic wig before. It's my first time having a synthetic wig, period, y'all. I don't know. Let's see if I can plug this. I hope I can plug this, or I'm gonna look really dumb. Really dumb. These are what ones I usually use, just regular tweezers. My camera is dying. It's a one red bar now. Maybe I'll just skip to the part where it's done and show y'all what I actually did. Yeah. I'm gonna just get to the part where it's done. So yeah, this is the before. Sorry if y'all wanted to see me actually go through this, but I'm gonna show y'all the after. Okay, y'all, so I'm coming to y'all with an update, and here is my update. I layered the hair, and I don't know if you can see that. Scoot back. I cut and layered the hair, and like now that I layered it, it's moving ways like better. Like even when I put it behind, it's not giving like, yeah, it's not. Compared to this, I took so much off, and I also did like a blunt cut so that the ends and the hair would look much more natural. So here's an update. Like I said, camera's still dying, so I'm gonna hurry up and show y'all the end result once I'm done. But you definitely can see the difference. I took so much weight off. Okay, y'all. So I went ahead and did the other side, layered the other side. I don't know if y'all can see it. And now, this is the back. This is what it looks like now. Cut may or may not be even. Don't talk about it. But yeah, right now I am laying down with the lace. I had cut it off. I sprayed it down with some got to be spray. And then I'm finna take this off, the elastic band out, do my edges and see what we're working with. But so far, the hair is giving. It's not giving super synthetic. Okay, it needs to be brushed. Would I be wearing it? I don't know. I might wear it like for like a quick one night type thing. Cause me, the girl don't do synthetic over here. But yeah, it's giving. Look, like I like my beat down low, down low, down low. Like it's swaying. And I'm really like, I think the layers and, you know, cutting it to the little blunt style did it, you know. I did lose a lot of hair. And then like my trash hair, y'all, I'm so sick. It's covered. So, yeah. But we did it. So I'm gonna come to y'all at the end, show you the final results. And yeah. This whole time, I thought I was recording my outro and it wasn't recording, bro. All right, you guys, thank you guys for watching my video. If you think I did my thing, making this synthetic wig into something, give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, I tried. You know, she's giving something. She's giving something, okay? Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the link bell so you can get a notification every time I post. Comment down below if you think I did my thing on this wig. And yeah, make sure you share this video. And maybe I can make this into a series when I, you know, work with synthetic wigs and make it to something from nothing to something, you know what I'm saying? Cause I did my thing, yeah. But thank you guys for watching again. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.